Yes, friends, we are very close to a live broadcast where we will say that Bitcoin ETF has been approved. When we look at the market, we see that Bitcoin is seriously rising and trying to recover with altcoins. For days, I have opened live broadcasts and made videos in every fall. I said, don't panic, don't panic. I said 5% less will be approved. You can look at this live broadcasts. While the good days are passing, it is necessary to collect a lot of rewards. I really believe that 2024 will be different. I have mentioned this often. 2024 will be different for you too. We are chasing very good airdrops. We share them especially on Twitter. For my friends who are following, maybe some of you will have your lives changed. Friends, Bybit is giving away $400. This is not a joke. He's giving away 400 XI. When we look at the Binance launch pool price, it is a project that I expect to be listed at $1 and above. I'm already going to open a live stream in the morning. We need to make a quick trade in 8 hours. Bybit is giving out rewards like crazy. I mean, he's giving out rewards like he's on a wild goose chase. And these are real. Recently, for example, a lot of friends from Sharp won $160. Many friends from IRL won around $150. Many friends who won have already shared it. You can follow the conversation. So they are really giving it away. Now I'm telling you about the highest prize pool I've ever seen here. So you can withdraw $400 without anyone because you are good at a stock exchange. Spot doesn't give real money, but it does. Of course, if there's a prize pool, they're gonna give away 1,600,000 SAI. But that number is an awfully big and beautiful pool, actually. But it's not that small a pool, guys. 4,000 people will benefit. And that's why I'm shooting a video at this hour. That's why I have to shoot a video in the middle of the night. So I post it and you watch it. After 8 hours, those who make these transactions will make money. Well, you can say that we have a Bybit account. Then you can do this. Notify a friend. If you have a friend who is thinking of using Bybit, let him know and help him make transactions. Friends will both start using Bybit and get a reward. We move on to our video without wasting time. Guys, I'm Monte the Crypto Count. I'm a YouTuber who produces digital content 24/7 these days. I'm trying to bring you a lot of deals. Subscribe so you don't miss out on these side deals because we are really making money here. Things are going well. We are waiting for the Bitcoin ETF approval. As the ETF approval comes, the competition of the exchanges is heating up. The competition of the ETF is also heating up. We have been here for years. As we see good opportunities, we bring them to you. Now our topic is Bybit. It's a reward for new members, of course. Existing members can also benefit. What will existing members do, friends? Deposit $100. New members earn $400. Existing members earn $100, friends. There is no such prize pool. 4,000 people will benefit from existing members. 4,000 people will benefit from new members. First, I will tell you about the new members. Then I will tell you about the existing members. By the way, the video you are watching right now is a video with a prize. 2 friends who like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the tweet in the fixed comment earn 350 liras from us. So what are we going to do? Now I'm going to talk about the new members part. Rather than this 500 deposit, we're going to talk about this. We're going to make a deposit. It's worth $100 and at the end we'll get X in any amount. And that's it. That's all we have to do. We're going to transfer money from Binance. Now after you click on create an account and sign up, you'll see an option like this. I'm leaving a link in the video description. That gives you an advantage. My referral code is campaign. When you write this, you enter our closed analysis channel. You also get a commission discount, friends, and you benefit more from the advantages. You write your email address, you write your password. If you enter from the phone, don't forget the campaign, friends. And these are obviously our motivation. Then we came here. What are we going to do? We're going to make a deposit. We've logged in. Now we definitely need to press the sign up button here to join. I'll tell you that. Now you are a new member. This option will be activated for new members. Now we're going to deposit 100. I made a video explaining step by step how to use Bybit over the phone. You can learn how to use Bybit by watching that video. I will still show the transfer from Binance now. I'm on Bybit now, friends. I click deposit. It says choose crypto. I chose Tether. It says choose A. This is the fastest and cheapest. I agreed. I copied the address, guys. I come to Binance. I come to the wallet. I click on assets. I open spot. I come to Tether. Guys, look, I hit withdrawal here too. You're doing it just like you're fetting money. Again, if you have any questions, ask. I entered the address I copied from Bybit here. It's very important to enter the address correctly. It is very important to enter the A correctly. I choose BPA. I said, yes, I'm sure. If you want, you can send some money at the beginning and then send it all. I'm going to send about 100 or 100 or 100 or 200, fellas. I don't like to take risks. I press withdrawal, enter the password, etc. And my money is quickly transferred to Bybit. When do we do this mission, guys? In 8 hours and 15 minutes. That's 7:0 a.m. Turkey time. Set an alarm. Do it at 7 in the morning. morning. I'll remind you again on our announcement channel. Friends, the Bybit mission is open. I'll say you need to do it fast right now. I don't think the pool of 4,000 people will be fast. In fact, there is a total pool of 8,000 people. 4,000 existing users. 4,000 new users. I will share it on the Telegram announcement channel. Sign up for this announcement channel. We will remind you in the morning as an alarm at 7 in the morning. We will say that the deposit process has started. You are not making the deposit right now. We make the deposit after 7 in the morning. Then friends will come in the morning. After completing the deposit process quickly, we will make XAI transactions in the spot. We'll be here for that too, guys. You'll come to the coin. You're gonna type XE. We will buy and hold $3, $5, $10 in the USDT party. We can sell it, but I remember there's no rule about that. Let's go down like this. He says even if they withdraw XI, they won't have a problem. Only money from the event period is valid for investment. Don't forget to register for the event, guys. Since I am an existing user, I clicked register to participate. You can register for the event here already. For new users, it says that you cannot register for the event right now because the event has not started yet. So please follow us here to the Telegram announcement. I'm talking about serious money, $400. It will be a very good investment for you. There will be many jobs among you. Friends, we will always continue to pass on such opportunities to you. Our expectation is that if you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like the video, we are very happy. Let me tell you already, don't forget the campaign code when you subscribe, my friends. It is the strongest campaign I have seen so far. I'm saying it again. We'll deposit $100. We'll trade XI for a little bit. Don't sell XI. Keep him here for $10. The guys are giving $400, $100. That's serious money. So don't sell XI, guys. Keep him here until he gets his prize. That's what I'm telling you. I already installed Note from XI, guys. I used a total of 2 Note keys. Let's see. We started to muscle XI from here now. It's a bit complicated and expensive, frankly. For example, the cost of 2 of them starts from Ethereum. That's why I said I could make you a video about it, but then I gave up. It's also very complicated. It is more difficult than you can imagine. There are places where I get stuck many times. Friends, Bitcoin ETF is coming slowly. Those good days are coming for us. We've waited so long. We've been so tired. We've been so worn out. I swear to God, we've been through such an exhausting process in these 2 or 3 years. I mean, we ate and ate all the time. That's what we do. You, for example, say enough is enough. You take Monte Crypto quietly, for example, until the market recovers. We are worn out. We are tired. But I think good days are very close. It looks like the ETF will be approved on Wednesday. The CEO of the SEC, Gary Gangster, said that if you are going to invest in crypto, he prepared a flat like a crypto influencer in the form of some points to keep in mind. In other words, we will approve it, but be careful. That's why peace was made on Binance. If the ETF is not coming, why make peace? This is so clear and obvious. I've said this before. I hope it's clear. You can ask again if you have any questions. In case sometimes we are missing something, we immediately go through Telegram, the announcement, or we answer your questions, friends. Hope to see you in another video. Goodbye.